Today we're going to make a video of how I clean my four-wheeler. I figured I'd make a video. Everybody always talks about how they can't get theirs clean. Taking the seats off. I washed it off with a water hose yesterday at the park. This makes it a little bit easier to clean. Today we're going to get it looking like new again. So the first thing I do is I go around the suspension and all that, get anything, rocks or limbs or whatever, if anything's caught up in the axles or any of that kind of stuff. So that's what I do first. And then second, I'll take a water hose and just wash as much off as I can, especially like the foot holes and all that. If you just hit it with a pressure washer, it gets all over you. The big stuff I found is a lot easier to get everything you can off with a hose. And then the second thing I do after I do that, I pressure wash it. Then I'll spray it down with degreaser. I use Simple Green. Then after that, I'll pressure wash it again. Then I foam cannon it. Then I hand wash mine, and then after I get through hand washing it, what I use is I use the Alien Waterless. It's like a quick detail wax stuff, and what I found is after you get done washing it, wipe it down, it makes the mud come off a lot easier the next time you clean it. After the first step that I take, just washing most of the big mud all off of it. Makes it a lot easier. I don't spray all over you whenever you're pressure washing. I like to start from the top down, that way when the water's rolling it gets the other mud soft. Now we'll pressure wash it for the first time. Well, my GoPro died when I was pressure washing that the first time. A lot of people just stop right here. I mean, it looks good. Some people just only pressure wash it. Me personally, this is a $14,000-$15,000 four-wheeler. I take care of my stuff, so on to the next part. Now we're gonna spray it down with degreaser. I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes or so, then we'll pressure wash it again. Right in the middle of cleaning it started raining, so we'll move you inside the shop a little bit. go run and do a service call, so she's done dried off now, but you can see what it looks like with pressure washing and degreaser. And it's pretty clean. It's still got a little bit of dirt, but for the most part it's really clean. So now we're gonna hit it with the pressure washer and get it back wet, and then we'll keep on going to the foam cannon. Didn't have any of my Tough Mudder from Chemical Guys that I usually use, so I just threw some cheap turtle wax in it. Hand washed and foam cannoned. Right now, looking really good. Got more mud on it. All the mud's out of everywhere. And the last step I do is I hit it with that little washless wax stuff. You don't have to do that. I do it because it makes the mud come off a lot easier next time you go riding. It gives it a nice slick. The mud can't stick to it as well. So we'll let it dry for a little while, and we'll pull it inside and put the wax on it. Looks like new again.